Upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with two contenders ready to battle it out in the ultimate showdown: the Nugo Steam Mop and the TVD Steam Cleaner. Are these just glorified water guns? Stick around as we compare them in a few categories that matter most when you're fighting grime like a cleaning superhero. Let's kick things off with the price. The Nugo is priced at a wallet-friendly $109, while the TVD is strutting its stuff at a slightly more spendy $179. Reviewers praise the Nugo for its affordability and effectiveness, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. On the other hand, the TVD, although pricier, is noted for its versatility and professional-grade performance, justifying its higher price tag. If you're trying to save some bucks, Nugo might just be your new best friend. Next up, let's chat steam power. The Nugo cranks out steam at a whopping 230 degrees Fahrenheit, which means it's ready to tackle those pesky stains like a pro. Reviewers highlight its effectiveness in cleaning and sanitizing floors, making it a reliable choice for tough messes. Meanwhile, the TVD also packs a punch with high-pressure steam cleaning, but leaves us wondering about its exact temperature. Reviewers appreciate its strong steam output for various tasks, so while both promise a chemical-free clean, Nugo's precise temperature gives it a slight edge. Now, let's talk tanks. Nugo's got a 15.2 ounces tank, which is great for quick cleanups, but if you're looking for a marathon cleaning session, the TVD comes in hot with a massive 52 ounces tank. Reviewers love the Nugo for its convenience and ease of use, but those looking to clean larger areas without interruption will find the TVD's tank capacity a significant advantage. So if you want to clean your entire house without stopping for a refill, TV Gel is the clear winner here. What about versatility? Nugo is like that friend who's great at one thing: cleaning floors. It's adjustable for different floor types, and reviewers specifically mention its effectiveness on tile and laminate. However, the TVD is your jack of all trades, capable of cleaning everything from floors to wallpaper. Reviewers rave about its ability to tackle various cleaning tasks, making it a more versatile option overall. Just don't get too excited and start steaming your neighbor's wallpaper. Let's touch on accessories. Nugo comes with a few basic features, while the TVD is practically a Swiss Army knife for cleaning. With 28 accessories, reviewers note that the TVD allows for a comprehensive cleaning experience, making it a favorite for those who want to tackle multiple surfaces and tasks. In contrast, while the Nugo is praised for its performance, it doesn't offer the same range of accessories. It's like a cleaning party, and everyone's invited, except the dirt. And finally, let's discuss cord length. Nugo gives you a generous 23-foot cord, which is great for avoiding those pesky plug changes. Reviewers appreciate this feature, noting it provides good flexibility during use. But TVD? Oh, it's flexing with a 197-inch power cord. Reviewers love the long cord and hose, allowing them to reach all those tricky spots without hassle. It's like the long-distance relationship of cords. Just when you think it's too long, it reaches out and touches all the places you thought were out of reach. Overall, the Nugo Steam Mop is celebrated for its affordability, ease of use, and effective floor cleaning. Users love its ability to sanitize and leave surfaces streak-free. Conversely, the TVD Steam Cleaner is praised for its versatility, powerful steam output, and extensive accessory set, making it a favorite for multi-surface cleaning tasks. So who's the winner of this steamy battle? If you want a budget-friendly option for quick cleanups, the Nugo Steam Mop is your best bet. But if you're looking for versatility, a larger tank, and an arsenal of accessories, the TVD steam cleaner might just steamroll its way into your heart and your cleaning routine. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more hilarious and informative product comparisons. Leave a comment below on which steamer you think is the best, or if you just want to share your own cleaning horror stories, because we all have them. Until next time, keep your purchases smart and your floors sparkling. Music fades out as the screen shows product links and subscribe button.